Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up and use Google Authenticator on any Poco phone. Now the first step is to open the Play Store. Now from here just search Google Authenticator. Now from here just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app. Now once the app is fully downloaded, just go to your home screen. Now from here just open your Gmail. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on Google account. Now from here, just swipe from the right to the left and tap on security. Now from here, scroll down and tap on two-step verification. Now from here, scroll down. Now as you can see, I have already turned on two-step verification on my smartphone. Now if you have not done that yet, just tap on turn on. Now it might ask you to enter your screen lock to confirm that it is you. Now once you have done that, just scroll down and tap on Authenticator. Now from here, tap on Set up Authenticator. Now from here, just take a screenshot of this QR code. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the Authenticator app. Now from here, tap on Get Started. Now from here, just select your Gmail and tap on Continue. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now open the Play Store. Now from here, just search QR code scanner. Now from here, scroll down and download this app. Tap on Open. Now from here, just grant this app these permissions. Now once you have done that, just tap on the image icon at the top of your smartphone. Now from here, tap on Gallery. Now from here, just select the QR code we have just taken a screenshot of. Now from here, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Yes. Now from here, just tap on the code to copy the code. Now from here, just go to the Gmail to paste the code into your Gmail. Just tap on Next and enter the code from here. Now tap on Verify. Now as you can see, we have successfully set up the Google Authenticator. Now you might ask how to use the Google Authenticator. Now you can use the Google Authenticator to generate a random code to verify your identity when you are logging into various services. Now for an example, if you're logging into an app, you can tap on Try Another Way and copy and paste the code from the Google Authenticator to verify your identity. And this is how you can set up and use Google Authenticator on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.